server, but I accidentally did something to the comment and I can't read it anymore. So I made my own. It's s5.instantncpe.com and the port 35186. And yeah, it should be a snowy biome. And I'll repeat that. s5.instantncpe.com. COM, you should know that. And the port 35186. And if you don't know what I'm saying and you forgot that, just read the top thing that says Minecraft PE server, and I'll be there and I might be there because right now my mom just got back from work and I'm gonna do something. I might cut my hair now. Yay! Okay, meet you there. Bye, guys.